This is just a very quick video, I hope, just to draw your attention to the fact that there's a new document out. It's the Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, Vaccines and Related Biological Products Advisory Committee briefing document, meeting date 10th of December 2020, so tomorrow. And it's mainly regarding the trials that are still going on in America. So while the likes of poor old Maggie and William Shakespeare, the 90-year-olds who had their jabs yesterday, Pfizer releases this document which says this: highly effective and safe vaccines and medications to prevent and treat COVID-19 remain a high unmet medical need. It's being sold to the British public that this vaccine is 95% efficient, so how can it be not a highly effective and highly safe vaccine? 95% was the figure we were given. However, in this study it says that it's a minimum of 90.3 going up to a maximum of 97.6. Well, we weren't told that 95% was a mean figure. We were told it was 95% efficient. I wonder if Maggie and William knew this. It says the study, as we know, they collected the data for people in the trial between 16 and 85 years of age. But it does say here that data for older adult participants were not available to be included in the EUA application. The available Phase 1 safety and immunogenicity data for adults 18 to 55 years of age are reported. So anyone over 55 years of age, the data for those tests were not submitted to get the emergency go-ahead. Poor old Maggie. On the upside, I'm sure she'd be very happy to read this. It says the incidence of serious adverse effects and deaths during the trial were low. Low, but it doesn't say what low is. And I tried to find out, but I couldn't. I do wonder what yesterday's takers of the vaccine are going to be like in a few months' time. This is the table from the cut-off date, 14th of November this year, and it's a list of adverse effects. In the people who had the vaccine, 21 had life-threatening side effects. A few people had side effects so bad that they chose to withdraw from the program, although 2 didn't have a choice because they died. But maybe it won't all be doom and gloom for Maggie and William. If you look at these tables, it's clear to see that the over 55s have fewer side effects than those under 55. I'm going to call it there because it is a very long document, and it's all I wanted to do really is draw your attention to it, just to the fact that it's out one day before the meeting takes place. I'd like to thank everyone who watched that video I put up yesterday. It's another amazing one with loads of views. Thank you so much. In response to some of your comments, some of you mentioned that Maggie could be Liz Scott from the protest. Now I didn't pay any attention to that when they were happening because it just annoys me so much. But I have gone back and had a look, and at the moment I'm examining her right ear. So as soon as I've finished analysing the pictures, comparing them and all that, I will put the video up. But I'd like to say again, thank you to those people who drew my attention to it.